this video, the main topic of discussion is Bidmas and order of operations. What is Bidmas? The acronym stands for brackets, bib brackets, I indices, square roots and cubic roots are included, division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. You follow this order. First you do brackets, indices, square roots, cubic roots at the same time. Then second part, the second calculations you do is division and multiplication. And lastly you do addition and subtraction. Let's see a couple of examples. Here we have a multiplication and addition. First we do the multiplication and then we add. First we do the multiplication and then we add. Number 3, we do the multiplication and then we add. We do the multiplication and then we add. For the second part we have 2 multiplications and 1 addition. So first we do the multiplications and then we add the numbers. First we multiply and then we add them. For part 3 we have multiplication of a number times brackets. So first we work the brackets and then we multiply. First we work the brackets and then we do the multiplication. Here we have a brackets. We do the brackets first and then we do the multiplication. Number 5 is 12 times the bracket is 2, so this gives me 24. Here we have a bracket and division. First we deal with the brackets. 12 over 2 is equal to 6. The bracket is 30 divided by 5 gives me 6. This is 60 divided by 10 gives me 6. This one is 10 divided by 10 equals 1. This one is 30 divided by 6 gives me 5. First the brackets and then the division. Now we have brackets, indices and addition. First we do the brackets and indices and then we do the addition. Brackets and indices. So first we work out the brackets and indices and then we do the subtraction. (40 minus 35 is 5 squared plus 30 take away 10, 20 squared. This is 25 plus 400, 425. This is 8 squared plus 6 squared. This is 64 plus 36 and this gives me 100. This is 10 squared plus 20 squared. 100 plus 400 equals 500. Part 6 here becomes a bit more tricky. We have the square roots. First we work the square roots, then the multiplication and then the addition. Square root of 9 is 3 times 6 plus 4. This gives me 18 plus 4 equals 22. Square root of 25 is 5 times 4 plus 2. So this is 20 plus 2 equals 22. Square root of 81 is 9 times square root of 4 is 2 plus 1. So this is 18 plus 1 equals 19. Then you have the square root of 49. Square root of 49 is 7 times 2. Take away 4. 14 minus 4 gives me 10. You deal with the square roots, then multiplication and then subtraction. So it's 10 times 10 minus 20. 100 minus 20 is equal to 80. Here we have square roots, multiplication, division and addition. So we do first the square roots and the division, and then we do the multiplication and the addition. So we write a square root of 25 is 5 times the square root of 100 is 10 plus 6 divided by 2 is 3. So this is 50 plus 3 gives me 53. The square root of 16 is 4 times the square root of 25 is 5 minus 4 divided by 4 is 1. So this is 20 take away 1 is 19. We work out the square roots first. So square root of 64 is 8 times 3 minus 8 divided by 2 gives me 4. So this is 24 take away 4 is equal to 20. Then you have the square root of 100, which is 10, times the square root of 49, which is 7, minus 10 divided by 2, which is 5. So is 70 take away 5 is equal to 65. And then you have the square root of 25 is 5, times the square root of 100 is 10, times the square root of 4 is 2, minus, what is the division here? 100 divided by 50 gives me 2. Let's do the multiplication. So it's 5 times 10 is 50. And then 50 times 2 is 100. Minus 2 is 98. Part 8 is mixed questions. So first we work the brackets and the square roots. And then we do the multiplication and then the addition. So this should be 4 times square root of 25 is 5. Plus 2 times 6. So this is 20 plus 12 equals 32. And this one is 5 squared times the square root of 4 is 2 plus 4 squared times the square root of 9 is 3. Is 25 times 2 plus 16 times 3. So this is 50 plus 48. And this gives me 98. 2 to the power of 2 is 4 times square root of 9 is 3 plus 1 here plus 5 to the power of 2 is 25 times the square root of 100 is 10 divided by 5. So we have 4 times 4 plus 25 times 100 divided by 5 gives me 20. So it's 16 plus 500 equals 516. 2 to the power of 3 is 8 times square root of 4 is 2, add 1 here in the brackets, plus square root of 9 is 3 times 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. So this is 8 times 3 plus 3 times 2. This is 24 plus 6 is equal to 30. Square root of 100 is 10 plus square root of 25 is 5 times square root of 9 is 3 plus the third root of the cubic root of 8 is 2. So this is 15 times 5 and this is 75. And the last is a worded problem. The last question is a worded problem. So Jack has a yearly subscription. For the first month, he pays a price of £10, and for the rest of 11 months, he pays £8 per month. What is the total cost? The total cost is the £10 fixed for the first month plus 11 times 8 for the rest of the months. So first we do the multiplication. This is £88 plus 10 is £98. So the total cost equals £98.